Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have seating for three spaciously and comfortably with a nice full leather interior that does lift up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle there with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 120-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, and driver assistance features. Then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seatbelts, and driver assistance again. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. As well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And moving on to the left, we have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, camera view, hazards, traction control shut off, and you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector with normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Then moving down, you have this compartment here with a USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed, so you have more open space here. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking back, last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.